What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be checking out the ProCase iPad Pro 12.9-inch case for the 2021 iPad Pro. Let's check it out. So we're going to be checking out the ProCase for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch today. My family recently got together and got me this awesome iPad Pro 12.9-inch, and I was looking at cases. You know, I really like some of the offerings from Apple, but they're just so expensive, and I figured let's check the other end of the spectrum out and go with something inexpensive. So this thing, like I said, is a ProCase from Amazon I picked up. I got it for $12.99. Very, very far off from the $200 and $300 for some cases. There's no keyboard or anything built into it. It's just a case. I'm simply looking for something where I can throw this into my bag and not have to be so worried about it getting scratched up or beat up or anything like that. So, like I said, I paid $12.99 from Amazon for this thing, so I'm not expecting a ton, just some simple basic protection. So let's get into it. Oh yeah. Not the most glorious unboxing or bagging in this case, but okay. So you can tell that they take some styling cues from the iPad, from the Apple trifold style there. You can fold this under and elevate it off the desk. I'm actually kind of surprised. It has like that leather feel on the inside. I don't know if it actually is leather. If it's not, it's a very convincing, runner-up to it. It's kind of hard to get a feel for it, but it has that, does that same thing leather does, where it leaves the streaks when you go in either direction. Not sure if that's coming through on camera, but for 13 bucks, it's not too bad. Let's try it out. Let's see how it fits. All right. So it fits in there very snugly. All your ports line up, no problem. Got the cutouts for the speaker grill and for the power plug. Everything's kind of open on this side. I'm guessing this is so you can get your Apple Pencil still on there if you have it. Plenty of room for your volume, plenty of room for your power button. I'm thinking these are mics down below. Plenty of room for them as well. I gotta be honest, for 13 bucks off Amazon, I'm shocked at how nice this is. It's magnetic, so there's some kind of action in there. I guess there's magnets in the actual iPad itself, but it's plenty to keep it shut. I wonder if it does that awake thing, where if the iPad is awake and you close it, oh, it locked. I heard it click. Did you hear it click? Let's do that again. So let me unlock it with my face. Oh yeah, she locked. Beautiful. Wow. Now, I gotta be honest, I didn't really expect a whole lot from this case when I got it, but for 13 bucks, I'm blown away. The quality feels really good. The hinge is made out of the same material as the top of the case. Definitely some kind of plastic or rubber. It covers the edges really well, which is really all I care about. I want to drop it into my bag, hopefully never onto the floor. And it looks fantastic for 13 bucks. So this is going to be a quick review. Not really a lot to show here. Let's try the fold portion here. So I guess you can go like that. And get it off your desk so you can type. Let's see what else we got here. Can you stand it up? Let's see if I can stand it up. Yeah, that clearly works. Not a problem. I don't know if I would be banging on this thing too much, but it's kind of holding the iPad up. It's not super secure. I wouldn't be typing on it like this, but if you have it up just to consume some media, that'd probably be fine. But again, for 13 bucks, you really have to set your expectations accordingly. I'd say if you're in the market for a cheap case, because you're cheap like me, after you get yourself a super expensive iPad that you want to protect so you can afford a better case, well worth it. Plenty of protection on the back. Offers some functionality with the stand features of the top case. Has the magnetic lock, which is a bonus. And I'm impressed. Yeah, so definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate it. This was the ProCase for the iPad Pro. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon in the video description below. If you liked the video, leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, that thumbs down button works as well. And as always, I greatly appreciate your support with a subscription. So, peace.